Tractor of the Year 2017. The celebration of the edition number 20 of Tractor of the Year award. And we're very glad to be here in Eima to celebrate the winners of all the categories that we got in this competition. We have a jury made of 24 journalists coming from as many countries, and they all make a remarkable job to select and evaluate the tractors in competition.
The beauty of our job is the fantastic combination of brilliant minds and innovative technologies that are delivering added value for the industry and for our common customers.
We are very happy to have won this year this award because I think that we offer a real modern and easy to maintain and to use tractor for the future.
I would like to thank the jury because we are really proud of this prize. The design is not only a question of style, it's also a question of ergonomic, functionality, technology, so we are strongly proud and happy for this.
This award is a very important award because, first of all, it is a recognition by the most important agricultural machinery journalist, and of course the recognition of the hard work made by the New Holland team.
It's a great honor to receive this prize, and for Case IH as a brand, but as well for the Optum tractor itself, it's very important. It's a huge recognition of the brand, of our activities and innovation we are bringing around with this tractor.
We are enlarging our project. We do reach farmers all over Europe, and we want to reach farmers all over the world.